All hell break loose in the House of Parliament. Buckler almost start fling. It's a good thing them never have no machete in there. As the Prime Minister fire a man, me no know what go on. People, you can drop in the comment section. Me couldn't get the time to do the research on that one, so me I tell you say, you see next one ever drop. Jesus have mercy. To Jamaica, people, big up on yourself. Podcast, shot, subscribe, like, share, drop your comment. Yo, a crocodile tears in the middle see what I go on. A good thing Shandy back start make with it. Hey, them would have went fling back a while ago in our parliament, you know. Them has this roadside than Vegas usher remote. Jesus. Boy. Viewers and subscribers, welcome to a wonderful program. Top of the day. Right now, a gozo in the courthouse. What's taking place? Very strange. People, can this be explained in a very simple way? Where we can just break it down simple as this. Ever since Isaac Buchanan speak, we don't know if he went just to be humorous or him just did a speak it or it is. But however, a lot of people run with it. And now we got officially Gozo upon the case in the courthouse. Right? Right now what Switch part Parla get attacked. The dopey them reach over there yet. Cause basically what them a say right now, them out to send some dopey over there from Parla. Can't make up this. YouTube, smash a like, share the content, subscribe. Start, you know. Yo, this look like a real horror movie. This is what you call a real horror movie. Cause, here what I go on now. Me just see L.A. Lewis in the graveyard. Hey, big up yourself, Seville. You're the viral boss runner. Photo hype you have to go keep up with Seville. Cause boy, me I tell you, people never has been seen now upon social media from no other country than with perfect island. That's why we saw Jamaica around here. Them type of drama you know happen nowhere else in the world. And this is why we outstandingly stand out in the world space. Jamaican different. Just completely different. Jamaican take every scenario and flip it in something else completely. Yeah, that day. So, right now, we see a lot of road spray. And I tell you, say people, it'll get scary. Now, will all these things really occur? Where vehicle go run off of the road and that day. Let go the boss. My advice is let the man go, cause it a reach on point right now where look like on the safe if you don't let go the man. You understand? People reaching a spiritual warfare right now. You understand? It's like say when Isaac Buchanan say get the gathering them, go up at the place and you know show the Roman thing. Yo, the people them serious, you see me? And right now people want to smash it like and subscribe. Because this not normal. And we have to talk about this too. Say, this time right now still, the man forget back him money, pay things. So imagine that. All the millions of dollars, right? Man have to get back star, but them can't pay the man for the time. Them a talk about money. But can you get pay for your time? Time is very, very, very important. But we see how bright the calculator is, and them supposed to pay the man for him time too. So the high priest chief of the Maroon, King L.A. Lewis, just set the state and give them 24 hours for the release of Real Boss. So right now, the people them have to take it into consideration and take it serious and know say, yeah, hear me right now. The Maroon government speak. I wanna know say the Maroon government always, I stand up and I go against them. So this is very, very, very interesting. People, wanna know say LA Lewis, a one of a kind. Now, LA Lewis in the graveyard and LA Lewis, as you can see, confident in a way I do. And really, really, really have a connection with the people them. You see me? Regardless what some people might think and say LA Lewis have a audience. You understand? And you know say they ring them off his cell and all of that. So, people, you tell me right now, if them not let go cartel in the 24 hours, you think Paula go be safe after the spray where we see LA Lewis the spray a while ago? And think, and we see which part our next person I speak on the same situation and I say, yo, freedom, If I'm a freedom, I go so. You see it? So, you see, you remember Bob Marley saying spiritual warfare, So, they say thing the people. You have to just brace and see what go on. More better not drive. More better not drive. Before me see I go on right now. Cause it goes in the courthouse. Strong like cologne. Why the mix up this container bridging? No. Them a say cargo can't do no more show on the island. That day, how I go on? Them say this is when giving your opinion go wrong. Jaja. You mean to tell me say I hunt them a hunt for the man bridging? This can't real. Well, as on see no people, Shocking Murray done state him facts already. And say cargo in a serious situation right now where him probably best thing him need to do is, as what him say, him a yard man, him a American citizen. Yeah, him have to go just grab a nice little flight, Dr. Bird style and just left the island cause remarks them way man pass Rasta the people. Them a say him have to go left, him have to go lift up, brother. People wanna think cargo have to go leave Jamaica or wanna think cargo life I got in a jeopardy. When they think cargo now can move around freely and do sure. Well, they not have shandy buckle no more, right? Plastic one them a whoop. So yeah man, say people some humor for I think, can't born running and big up on yourself too. Safe on the trip to work and from work and all of the good stuff. And know the thing go bless up. So people, in a reality now though, man, the people them a go too far right now, star. Our thing I go right. Which one? The people them a take it too far, or the people them just turn up a thing and make the internet just go viral. Cause the people them love the drama still. That's what me realize. It's like no matter how one set of people I say, oh my God, this just rough and it have a next set of people will live for that. Me know some people don't even sleep, them phone can't even charge. Next subject. Them want to hear what I go on. Yeah man. I be a drama. So the people them must say still right now, Cargo now go get a next hit song in a dancehall. You see me? So will the fans them leave from Cargo support and just say, yo, I hit that for Cargo. You know? So we still have to hear what the gatekeepers have to really say on the Cargo situation. Cause as you know, see what go on right you know in music, gatekeepers, you know, gatekeepers them have to approve and fax over your papers them and you know send couple email and couple thing of your approve and sign on the behalf of the gatekeepers for your certified, right? Yeah. The thing gets strict around here. And after all of them lawyer with them a plan for change. Why may I tell you? So my youth them might just want try to become a vlogger right now. Take out on the camera youth. Start walk around and video. All the badness. Things get real.